Hello, today is January 6, 2025, Monday. It's 8 p.m. and it's raining outside. Isn't that crazy? Usually January and February are our coldest months, but if you look at the thermometer, it's about 42 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just nuts. There's a lake right there. People are skating on it, but I don't know. People might be skating on the streets by now. It's supposed to cool off a few hours. They shut down the public transit bus system. Schools have closed early. My work closed early. If it is below freezing, I won't go to work tomorrow.